I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube Incognito Mode not showing. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You're going to check if there is an update available and then you're going to install it. Incognito Mode may not appear on older versions of the app. Now, once that's updated, you're going to open the YouTube app, tap on your profile picture. In the drop-down menu that'll appear right here that says Accounts at the top left corner, you're going to tap on it and then you're going to scroll down until you see this Turn on Incognito option. So you're gonna just click on that. If the option is still not there, you can head over to your settings. So just click on Settings right here and then you're going to scroll down until you find the apps. Just click on Apps and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you find YouTube. So just click on YouTube from the list and then from here you're going to clear your cache. You can also just offload the app if you cannot find the cache option, and then you're going to close the app completely and then reopen it, and then you're going to check again. If none of these work, uninstall YouTube completely from your phone. Just go to the App Store or Play Store and reinstall it fresh. This usually solves the issue. And that's it.